Let's invent cute monsters today in Procreate. Well, hello there, I'm Détroit. I've been wanting to invent cool new monsters for a while. Let's take a look at my terrifying team. As you can see from the time bar, this video is very short, because even though the drawings took 2 hours and 55 minutes, I didn't record the screen, so I only have the automated Procreate video to show you. It's okay, I don't have the time to make a long video anyway. Let's pull up a PhD thesis completion bar at the top over there. There you go. That's how far I am into my professional work. Next week will probably be a longer video, so subscribe. I kinda wanted to make small drawings, but a lot of them instead of one big one. I don't often do multiple doodles with the same style in succession. Here, they all have the same art style, same beady dark eyes, same shading. I could see all of them printed on stickers, or as part of a card game or something, I don't know. I think they look really cute, all of them. They probably are at the very bottom of monster hierarchy, since I can't really imagine any of them being dangerous, or even scary. I mean, one of the small ones is just a cube with eyes. That can't be dangerous. In fact, it must be more dangerous for it to go out in the sun, or dust, or anything at all. Another one can't even stand on its skinny legs, so it drags its butt on the ground to move around. But they are all cute and I love them. I might print a few of them as stickers to put on my computer or something. Anyway, time to sign off. Inventing new monsters was a lot of fun. As long as you give them strange shapes and a lot of eyes, they work. I'm gonna make more of them in the future, but probably not on video. Head over to Instagram to see them. Alright, back to work I go. Love ya, see you soon, bye!